Oh, I'm sorry. Is your lighter not lighting your tamarind spice candle? Well, tamarind spice. Get it at your local Tashi station. It's great.
I guess if you're that far back.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're with something pretty cool. The Hacksmith actually sent me, by the looks of it, it's a mini lightsaber. It's a mini-saber. James from the Hacksmith actually reached out to me a little while back, and he was like, hey, so I want to send you a mini-saber. And I was like, you're talking to the right person. I didn't want to film it in my apartment because I feel like my landlord might see it and be like, actually, you're not allowed to have real lightsabers on your property, ma'am, so you're gonna have to leave. So I have hijacked my friend's house. Shout out to my friend on the other side of the camera. Dude, this thing looks sick just on the outside of the box. Got all the angles, gotta get everything. But yeah, this is gonna be the creator edition of the saber, which I don't know what it looks like yet, but I'm very excited to see. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now this is awesome. Apparently, they actually put this together in their very own clean room. They made a clean room. A YouTuber made a clean room? It doesn't make any sense. But they actually did make a clean room, and the way they built the saber, it had to be very, very precise. I'll insert some clips of them creating the saber in the background of the video. But if you guys want to check out the full video on how they built this incredible saber, definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. So of course, this is inspired by the world's first retractable proto-saber. Of course you've seen the giant, real Hacksmith saber that they made. That thing's amazing, and I can't wait to see what they have coming up next. This is just a mini version of it, something that I can have in my pocket at all times. You never know when you might need a mini lightsaber. So they said, Dear Carly, after years in the making, I'm excited to share the Mini-Saber Gen 2 with you. As a fellow creator, I wanted you to have a special Mini-Saber Gen 2 Creators Edition. This edition is not available for purchase. However, we have a variety of colors for fans to buy at hacksmith.store. Here's to making history together. Note, be sure to fuel up your Mini-Saber with standard hardware store butane in order to use it. Luckily, I stopped by the store and I picked up some butane, not sponsored by Coleman. It can reach temperatures of up to 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Every purchase of the Mini-Saber Gen 2 helps fund our lightsaber development projects. Our backers also get access to exclusive video content to see how we make it real every step of the way. That is just so awesome. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. They of course include a blueprint of how it was made in case I want to make it myself, which is totally possible in my 1-bedroom apartment. So possible. It's not, but that's okay. Oh, what's this? What is in this styrofoam? I'm concerned. Bro. It's a James bobblehead. It's a Hacksmith bobblehead because everyone needs one in their collection. Thank you, James. This is fantastic. I love it. I love how it looks like he's about to I think he's gonna go great next to Bo-Katan right here. Wow, so there's a lot going on in here. We have the Hacksmith Mini-Saber. This is such a cool look. This is so sick. Next generation, second generation. Star Trek, second generation. For decades, many have tried to recreate science fiction in real life. Many have failed, while others have given up halfway through the journey. But that is not how we do things. Hacksmith Industries set the world record for the first ever retractable proto-saber. We proved to the world that science fiction can indeed be made real. This mini-saber is a homage to our proto-saber, miniaturized, I like that word, miniaturized, to fit in the palm of your hand. Proof that nothing is impossible. Thank you for being a part of the journey. We don't know what the future holds, but we know one thing is for sure. We are just getting started. Oh, this is sick. Okay, so it says safety lock switch, flame adjustment wheel, ignition switch. Good to know. This is awesome. I love the white. It looks so sleek. The white with the red is just so sick. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's see what else we got. We have a nondescript box. A box of stuff and, shut up. Dude. We have to have glasses for the bobblehead, of course. Dude, why are there glasses? These are fantastic. Oh, because it's so bright. Hold on. Sorry, I see the future of the Proto Saber. It's just so bright, I need these glasses. These are actually really nice. Are these Hacksmith? Why do they make everything so good? Oh wait, they are. They are Hacksmith. It says Hacksmith at the top. And it says engineered. Hacksmith engineered. That makes so much sense. These are actually fantastic glasses. There we go. Oh wow. Bro is out on town for a... Perfect. That's good enough. Grogu, how do you feel? Better. Better. He says he loves it. That's his language. What is this? Dude, do you see this? I think it's a wallet. Oh, dude. You know, I needed a wallet too. What does this do? Have you, oh. Wait, that's actually sick. Oh. Except I'm gonna have no cards because I'm broke. But that's okay, I'm gonna have my Costco membership card and my AAA card in case I get another flat tire, which is inevitable for me, unfortunately. We have also, oh, these are awesome, color changing inserts for the Mini-Saber Gen 2. You can literally put in inserts and change the color of this saber. I think the default color is like a flame, which makes so much sense. You can go dark side with the red, or you can go light side with the green. We're back in business. I got the wrong butane. Just a word of advice. If you get a Mini-Saber, don't get this butane. Don't do it. Don't do it. Get this. It's Benzomatic, not sponsored. It has the right tip. This tip bad. This tip good. Shall we? We filled it up. There's a little thing at the bottom that you use to fill it up. Okay, it's on safety. I'm gonna unlock it now. Trust only in the Force. See ya! What? Dude, yo! Okay, wait, we have to see this in the dark. Hold on. Guys, are we ready? This is a legit lightsaber. This is the coolest thing I have ever, my brain. Okay, we need to change the color. Apparently, you can get it green and you can get it red. I think we're gonna do the green first. So it just lifts off the top. I'm not touching it right now. It's too hot. It's too hot. Okay, so apparently it's gonna be green. So let's try it out. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That is insane. Oh, I'm sorry. Is your lighter not lighting your tamarind spice candle? Well, tamarind spice. Get it at your local Tashi station. So we have the red, the dark side. Color changing things right here. Let's take off this top. Just gonna pop this out like that. Make sure you do this when the saber is not lit and not hot. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's sick. That is awesome. Well guys, I think we would call this a success. This Mini-Saber Gen 2 is incredible. A big thank you to Hacksmith for sending me this Mini-Saber Gen 2. I mean, there are no words. This thing is awesome. You guys should definitely get it. Please be safe with this. If you do get one of these, please be safe. We're doing it in a controlled environment and we're only using it for things like looking at it and thinking it's pretty. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. But comment down below if you like this mini saber. I don't think you can hate it. I mean, this is the coolest thing ever. See ya.